This video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. There is always a risk when investing in the stock market. These videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock. It is always advised to do your own research and to keep learning more and more about any strategies used in these videos. Welcome back to the channel. I hope all had a good weekend, and going forward, I hope all have a prosperous week. We're going to jump into week 41 of our Roth. And looking at the account total, is currently at $12,727.45. Today is October 4th, and that balance has been updated to $12,727.45, which I believe may be our lowest amount yet. And looking at our account here, we're currently down over $5,000. And a lot of people, you know, if your account right now is really low, just realize the market, the entire market itself is down right now. So everyone is down. No one's immune to this. And these fluctuations will come and go. So we're going to look at the account, just going down the line like we always do, starting with Blink. Cost base is $37.71. We're going to come over, click the down arrow, go to options chain. And looking at the bid, it's currently $26.34. Ask is at $26.38. Stock is at $26.36. So I'm going to come over, click on all just to see, expand this chain and see what more is on here. And with the chain expanded, it's currently at 26. I think I'm going to go to 31. So you find the one you want, you come over, click on trade. And we'll read this. Blink expiration 8th of October, $31 strike price. It is a call option. We'll sell to open. We'll do a quantity of 1. And the market is open, so this will be a market order. Up next is Wish. And boy, this one, it has hit its 52-week low. So it's at its lowest point it has been in the last year. Cost base is currently $10.31. The stock is at $4.88. We're going to come over, click the down arrow, go to options chain, and checking our date that we are 4 days out. This Wish, $4.90. I'm going to look at selling, I think I'm going to sell the $6. So you find the one you want, come over, click on trade. And looking at this, we are going to do a quantity of 3 because we do have 300 shares, and it will be a market order. I'll review and submit. And coming down the line, Corsair is still going. Nano Orbital Energy is still going. So we'll look at GoPro. Cost base is $11.36. Going to go to the options chain. And we are 4 days out. Currently bid is $9.04. Ask is at $9.05. I think I'm going to sell. I'm thinking about doing the $9.50, but I'm thinking I might. Yeah, I'm going to go with the $9.50. I'm going to have to watch this one pretty close to make sure. I think we did this a couple of weeks ago and did hit our strike price. So actually, I think I'm just going to do the 10. You know, I kind of want to do the $9.50 because I want to start averaging out of this one. And yeah, I'm going to do the $9.50. I'm going to go ahead and do the $9.50. I'll just watch this, buy it back if I have to. So I'm going to click right here on trade. And this GoPro expiring on the 8th at $9.50 strike. We have 200 shares. So we can go ahead and do a quantity of 2. And it will be a market order. I'll review and submit this one. And next down the line, Orbital Energy is still going and Nano is still going. We have Zynga. Cost base is $8.82. Gonna go to the options chain and checking that we are 4 days out. The bid is $7.22. Ask is $7.23. There is a $7.50 for $5. I'm just gonna do the $8 one. For this one, you find the one you want, come over, click on trade. And looking at the cash on hand, we do have $676. We did a Smile direct put last week and I think it was the 550 put, and it closed exactly at 550. I think it was like on the penny, so it didn't execute. So I think, you know, if we look at Zynga, it's 720. We might can get a 650 put out of this. So I'm gonna come over, I'm gonna click on the down arrow on the security I want, not the actual option here. We'll click on the security, click on that down arrow, and you can go to options chain. And looking at Zynga, there isn't a 650. We could do a limit order, but I'm not even gonna worry about this one. There's no options available for the amount that we have. So instead of a put, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set AGNC. This is our dividend stock that we're building within the portfolio. I'm gonna go ahead and buy some more shares of these. Our cost basis is at 1605. It's currently at 16.01. So I think what we'll do is we'll come over, click the down arrow, and this time we're gonna go to buy shares. And looking at this 1604, the day range was 1591 to 1622. You can see that right up here. So today the lowest it got was 1591 and the highest was 1622. So what I'm going to do is a limit order. So let's do a limit order at 1597. So we'll do $15.97. Quantity, we had about $600. I don't want to spend all of that. If we do 10 shares, by entering the share amount here, you can see how much it's going to cost you right here. So, and I believe we currently have 35 shares. Let's just do 5 of this, and so we can make it an even 40. So you enter that amount. Once you're done, click review order, and that'll, if it drops to 1597, that will get executed. The rest, I'm just going to let it ride for this week. So I'll go up to history. So looking at this week, Zynga, we got $1 for it and 35 cents after commissions, 26.69, 13.01, and 3.35. This 26.69 GoPro, that seems like a lot, but I need to make sure I watch that it doesn't go above 9.50, which is our strike price. So with those totals added up for this week, we end up with a total of $43.40. So another tough week in the market, but you know, the way the world is, the pandemic, all the stress and everything that's going on, the market's gonna be choppy a lot. It's gonna be really wish-washy. So I mean, if you're down in your accounts, don't feel like you're the only one. Everybody is down in their accounts. I don't like seeing it every week after week, but I know that as long as I'm pulling out a positive and eventually we're going to get back to where we need to be, it'll all show those returns. So again, guys, thank you for watching. If you found value in this video, I would appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video.